Welcome back. For our newcomers, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for invaluable career insights. Today's hot topic: keeping your job in a recession. Let's dive in. Understanding the recession landscape. A recession denotes a major economic slowdown that persists over time. Businesses earn less, consumer spending reduces, and layoffs rise. While unsettling, recessions are cyclical. They pass. It's vital to be proactive in these times. Skill enhancement, beyond basics. Targeted skill development, excel in essential skills. Digital marketer, ace SEO. Cross-training, grasp adjacent roles. Salespeople can benefit from understanding marketing. Advanced soft skills, sharpen communication, negotiation, and emotional intelligence. Machines can't mimic these yet. Learn online and offline, explore Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Attend workshops and webinars. Showcase your skills, update your LinkedIn, conduct in-house training, or maintain a portfolio. Increasing visibility, stay in the limelight. Engage in meetings, be active, offer insights, ask questions. Take initiatives, lead projects or volunteer for tasks. Regular check-ins, proactively update and advise your supervisor. Mentorship, strengthen the team by training or mentoring newbies. Personal branding, ensure your contribution is recognized. Networking, strengthening connections. Internal networking, collaborate across departments. External networking, join industry events and forums. Stay connected with alumni, gain insights and trends. Social media presence, use LinkedIn to display achievements and insights. Reciprocal networking, offer assistance and create goodwill. Financial preparation, building safety nets. Emergency fund, aim for a fund covering 6-12 months of expenses. Diversify income, consider side gigs or passive investments. Stay informed, keep abreast of industry movements. Insurance, mull over income protection insurance. Manage debt, reduce monthly obligations for better financial resilience. In essence, being indispensable in a recession boils down to being proactive. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and drop your insights below. Keep safe, stay informed, and let's thrive together. Your ability to navigate economic challenges is largely in your hands. Adopt these strategies and boost your job security. Thanks for tuning in.